Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to be found by recruiters on LinkedIn. If you are looking to get noticed and land that dream job, these tips are for you. Tip number 1. Optimize your headline. First up, make sure your headline is more than just your job title. Use keywords that recruiters are likely to search for. For example, instead of just software engineer, try software engineer / full stack developer / JavaScript and Python expert. For example, Lewis Hamilton has entrepreneur, investor, and F1 driver. So make sure it is not just your job title. Second tip, complete your profile. Next, fill out all sections of your profile. That means a professional photo, compelling summary, your work experience, education, and skills. The more complete your profile, the higher you appear in search results. Tip number 3, use keywords in your About section. So in your About section, write a brief but keywords-rich summary of who you are and what you do. This helps LinkedIn algorithm match you with the right opportunities. So let's say Lewis Hamilton has Mercedes, McLaren, and all of these different keywords as I am looking for right now. So use them. Tip number 4, get endorsements and recommendations. So reach out to colleagues for endorsements on your key skills and ask for a few recommendations. These are credibility and make your profile stand out. And that's it. Follow these steps and you'll be on the way to catching the eye of recruiters. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick LinkedIn tips. Thanks for watching.